Thanks, Leah. We're going to get started with a live picture out of Brandon, where unfortunately Florida Highway Patrol is investigating a fatal crash. There's one vehicle. There's a second one involved here. This is at the intersection of Brandon Parkway and Town Center Boulevard because this is unfortunately a fatal crash. This is going to take several hours to complete an investigation, so please avoid the area. Lumsden Road is your alternate route. I have two overturned vehicles along I-75, separate accidents. This one is northbound 75. It's just to the south of Fowler Avenue. You can see slow traffic here in both directions. A visual delay heading southbound. I also have an earlier rollover crash here. It's northbound 75. Before you get to Bruce B. Downs, only the outside lane is getting by in that area. Back to you.